Hey, welcome to Works Connection. Come on in. I'm Eric Phipps, owner of Works Connection. We're in a town called Diamond Springs, California. It's in Northern California, just outside Sacramento. I started Works Connection in 1989, so we're going on our 21st year. I just started as a hobby and just out of my parents' garage. I raced, and not at a pro level, just an amateur level, but I couldn't find the parts that I really liked. You know, I could see them on the factory bikes, and I just saw a need for something. We make a wide range of products, from skid plates to clutch perches, basically a lot of aluminum items, a lot of protective components, protect the bike. And we do some cosmetic stuff, brake caps, stuff to give your bike the factory look. And all the components are stronger than stock. So. We work with a lot of the race teams, and the race teams provide us good input. And with their input and feedback on our product, it's just a constant evolution of improving our products.
I'm Ryan Burke. I'm the race support director here at Works Connection. Here at Works Connection, we sponsor a variety of riders with many different disciplines. Pretty much anything that has to do with two wheels. We work with a variety of the top race teams. Usually every year we'll have anywhere from 5 to 6 national championships across all the disciplines that we sponsor. We very rarely have back orders. We pride ourselves in keeping a very good inventory level here.
Whether you need a replacement part, need help with an install, just give us a call. Yeah, at Works Connection, we pride ourselves on American-made products. We always try to be the first ones out with new products. At Works Connection, we're more like a family, I like to think. We hang out, we motocross together. Just, it's a good environment. We're about business, but motorcycles are our passion, so it makes coming to work pretty easy.